In today's video, we are customizing the PlayStation 5 with dark plates. I've got the dark plates inside this box, so let's unbox it and have some fun. This box took so long to come. I ordered this at the end of August, and it literally took until almost October for it to come, but let's find out if it's worth it. So I'm excited because this is something different to do. I haven't done dark plates before, so I'm excited today. So we've got a few different things here. Hopefully it has instructions of what's inside. So it comes with this sort of cloth. We have a few different Dbrand sort of strips over here. What is this? Let's have a look. This is an authentic thing. Okay. I guess it's a thing for the instructions. So it has this link of Dbrand and how, and it will show you how to install all the stuff. So I got these like red strips. This is interesting. We've got two different cloths. This one has this sort of, I don't know, Star Wars thing in the middle there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And we also got this black one. So those are our strips. I also got, for the middle, that'll go on the bottom there, and then this will go on the top. Hopefully I don't stuff this up too much. And then here we actually have our dark plates. This is an epic box. Wow, this is nice. This is cool, eh? Let's open this up. Oh, this is wicked, man. Cool. And we actually have the dark plates here. So this is sick. Comes with this fan. That is nice. Looks awesome. So this has that adjustable for the fan, which is absolutely amazing. These are great quality. Absolutely awesome. They look fantastic. So that's for the actual disc mount, for the disc drive. And then if we go under, we got the other side. The other side with another fan output. This is fantastic. Let's pop these on and see what they look like. I like this box. Such a nice box. I really like that. That was a really cool experience. All right, so best place to start, I'm gonna guess would be this actual strip. Ah, okay, so it comes separate. I'm interested in seeing how it works and everything. This is what I'm here to do and show you guys how it works, if it's useful or not, should you buy it or not. That's what we're gonna find out today. All right, where do we start? I guess we're gonna take the side panels off, face plates of the PlayStation 5. That would be a great place to start. And then we can start putting all the stuff on. There we go. Sort of, as you can see, you just grab that part and then you just slide it off. Hey, that's how you do it. Oh man, that's hard. The best place to start would be the middle here. So I guess sort of figure out where everything is. Okay, so that sort of goes that way. Sort of match it up, and then you can sort of just take it off, right? And then pop it on. With this one, it comes separate and you sort of want to put it right at the bottom there. The thing with these is like you don't want any bubbles. So the technique that I've done here is I'm sort of going at the top. If that makes sense. So I'm doing it at the top so there's no bubbles, and I'm matching it up and sort of then sliding it down. Now that is just working perfectly. And now we have the bottom layer on, and that's what it looks like. Very nice. It's nice. It has this matte finish. So this is very, very nice quality. And like, it's not gonna be scratchable on the sides anymore. It's a good upgrade to actually get. Even if you don't get the actual face plates, I actually do recommend getting that sort of finish so you don't get the scratches. So now, let's do this bad boy. I guess you just want to figure out, okay, where's the top part? So it's going to go sort of this way and then go down. We're going to start from the top and then work our sort of way, right? So then I want to sort of make sure there's no sort of dust on there. Maybe don't do it like I'm doing it because we know that we get the finger marks, but we're not gonna have to worry about the finger marks anymore because we got that matte finish. So the way I'm doing it, just lining it up, and then I'll get the rest of the tape and sort of pull it through. Now that we have it lined up, it's gonna be easy to sort of put this on. You really gotta pay close attention. Fantastic. Alright, so now that that's aligned, we can sort of easily now put that through. As you can see, I'm just going slowly around, but it's working. So you basically just want to line it up at the top and make sure it's fully aligned, and it should be easy from there, pretty much installing this. And then basically you won't have to worry about scratches. We won't have to worry about that anymore. That's like a massive improvement. We won't have to worry about finger marks. It's going to look clean. And we got to customize the look with the LEDs. It's just, this is going to be fantastic. I love this. I'm very excited for seeing the final result with everything. The main thing that was concerning me was the sides, like making sure it's actually aligned correctly, but it seems very basic and simple to actually put together. And there's barely any bubbles, so it's not too bad. There's a bit of bubbles next to the actual power buttons, but it's nothing to worry about too much, because we can actually lift it up and have another go at it, another crack. See, this is a bit of a challenge because I'm gonna make sure it all sort of lines up correctly. Yeah, overall it seems alright. That's what the final look is. It's very nice. The mistake I might have made is start from the top, not the bottom. So if I was to start at the bottom, I guess it would have had a better outcome. That's what it looks like. It's a matte finish. No scratches I have to worry about anymore. This is fantastic. Exactly what I was looking for. Now we just need to apply the light strips. So these are red LEDs. So it's gonna have like this Darth Vader sort of effect. It actually says which one's which, so this is the right one. So we're just gonna put that at the top there. And push, just gently pop that on. Alright, now the right one's on. We can do the left now. And it's the same thing. We literally just start from the top and then make sure it's all aligned. Whoop. And I put that on the wrong way. The great thing about these stickers is if you make a mistake, we can literally just re-put it on. We don't have to worry too much. Fantastic. So these are our light strips, the LEDs. So that's now going to be red when we turn this on. Pop these dark plates on, it's going to be easy. So the way to tell which one it is, you just make sure that this drive's on there, line it up. There we go. At the bottom, it just slides on, connects in. Boom, that's the first side, and we're going to do the other side now. And once again, we just push that in, clicks in, and boom, that's it. So now we have our custom PlayStation 5 with the dark plates on. This looks awesome. Wow, look at that, guys. It looks actually awesome. I really do like this. Wow, look at that, guys. Man, so sick. Look. Oh man. We're gonna turn this on and see what it looks like. Alright, so now we have the PlayStation 5 on and working. What's great is we have this fan on the sides now, so it's amazing for the ventilation for the PlayStation 5. Gonna keep it air cooled, and if we look closely, we see sort of red luminescence with the lights, and it looks absolutely amazing there too. I love that, and it just looks awesome with the matte black finish. Not gonna have to worry about scratches anymore, so it's just awesome. I'm very, very excited. So thanks guys for watching today's video about customizing the PlayStation 5, and I'll see you guys next time.